what to do today? I'm gonna make a pie today, yeah! But what do I need? Ingredients!
Why did I ever say that I would write a poem for Poetry Corner?
I need more ingredients!
No good at this poetry stuff.
What other ingredients do I need?
Poetry writing is just too tough.
I feel like I'm still missing something.
First, I need a theme.
Oh, I know!
I know.
I need a bowl to put it all in.
I shall write an ode to my nose. My favorite thing, smells.
Little bit of this.
Oh, how can I tell?
Some sugar.
The wonder that is smell.
Some more sugar.
Oh, which way does the wind blow?
Some more sugar.
My nose, no.
And then some more sugar.
No, that doesn't work.
Oh, that's all the sugar. Gonna be so good.
Oh, this poetry thing is so hard.
And then egg. I think I'll put 2 eggs in.
All other senses are not quite needed. The nose is
Squish, squish, squish. Ah.
unexceeded. Arr! What does a nose do?
I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna add lots of it.
It can smell you. Ah!
More berries.
Smell, bell, tell. Well,
Some of this.
yell. Oh, hell.
Just a smidgen of this.
Ugh. My ode to the nose is giving me woes.
Oh, this pie is gonna be so good. And you know what? I'm gonna share it with my friend Big Bad.
It's supposed to be a happy poem.
My friend Big Bad is gonna be so happy that I'm making him a pie. He's working really hard in the studio right now, and I think he deserves a treat. Put that in there. Ha-ha.
Ugh. I didn't think writing a poem would be so hard. Something is about to burn! Ah!
Oh.
What?
Oh, hi, Big Bad. I'm making pie.
You're about to burn the pie. Wait for it. Now. Ah. Whew. It almost got burnt there.
Wow, how did you know?
The nose knows. Oh, that smells good.
Yeah.
I can't believe I almost burned it. It is perfect.
Say, Big Bad, did you ever finish that poem you were working on?
Oh, how can I tell? The wonder that is the sense of smell. The nose, a thing of beauty and grace, the most important part of your face. All other senses bow to the nose. The things it senses, the things it knows. But most important in all of this, the scent of food, the source of bliss. And central to my senses' dilection, a pie made by a friend to perfection.
Yay!
I think we should eat this pie now, don't you?
Yeah!